so we are testing out some STUs. We got Ren here with that Ibex car, and then we got my car. So we're just gonna run against my car with my 1650s, and that's what he's running, and then also my car with these new F35s that we're trying out with STU. So we got some big sand cars. They're calling each other out, racing. So we're gonna head out there and check that out this morning.
Oh, one and done. So long, gay boy.
We are out here with Cody at STU. He's got these new tires. He hasn't even put them in production. He's seeing if they're an awesome tire or not. This is a 35 STU, and this is my 1650 right here. So if that kind of gives you an idea in size, thing's a monster. It's a beast. It looks good. We're gonna go test run and just see how they run, how they feel. We're with Cody with STU, and we are testing some tires. Tell us about these tires that you're looking to do.
What's up, everybody? So with our fronts, we kept the Prodigy name and made it bigger. That was our best-selling tire last year. Everybody loved it, so of course we kept it going. We're really excited to have that in a bigger size. But to pair with it, this is you know, we don't have anything like this one currently. It's a 35-inch tire, 4-ply, so it is geared more towards your UTVs, but it's going to be super versatile for some sand cars too if you'd like. It's got 3 paddle size options, 18 paddles. You know, Dallin's car here, it's one of them big power Pro Rs. This number 3 paddle is super aggressive, but it's going to give you that overall ride experience, smoother ride, a little more ground clearance. You can see how aggressive these are. It's going to hook hard. Don't worry if you're not a big power guy. This also has 2 other paddle sizes that come available, with the number 1 being a good fit for your machines that are a little more stock. So stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more to come on these, and we're excited to bring them to you guys. Thanks for the support.
Awesome. So a couple of things that the reason I like this 35, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm running out of gear. I'm running out of top end, so I'm actually excited that these 35s are coming to get more on the big end. What do you guys think of this bad mamma jamma?
It floats on water.
Dude, it is floaty. I was surprised how floaty it was.
It hooked up nice.
And it hooks and books.
It looks really aggressive.
So this is a 3. This is a 3, so you can do, you know, obviously the smaller cuts, but this is just a plate cut, not comp cut.
That's our F35.
Yeah, it's gonna be the Lightning.
God, look how wide this thing is.
It's a monster, isn't it?
Did it hook up nice?
Yeah.
How's the front?
It hooks. I mean, the car, it handles better, I think. Like, it's just handling the chop.
Yeah.
I think it's handling the chop a lot better.
It looks way better, just the proportions.
Does it?
Aesthetically looks better.
Yeah. Sit high.
Yeah, it sits big now.
Well, the front, just to go from 33s to 35s for the front will help.
Yeah.
I bet it'll do better too. You won't see out.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see a whole lot of negatives.
No.
He's, you know, I don't know where we would see a negative out of this.
I like the aspect that it's not enough with like comp cut to where you see cords too. That's the last. That tire will last.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't comp cut it, and as big as that is, I think you get away with not comp cutting.
I mean, the nipples slow you down a lot, but
I like the nips.
How do you feel off the line with it?
I didn't do a hard pull yet, just because
Rolling into it.
I wasn't cold. I was still cold.
but your axle's still good. Just in time.
Just in time.
Just in time.
I tried to send you a message, but nothing gets out.
Chase is trying to hit me up. Okay.
Let me flag you.
Well, let me go swap my paddles.
Well, try it with and then try one without.
Well, if it hurts me a lot.
I mean, our cars, I think, are pretty similar right now.
Yeah.
Guys, just
And
start
you're
like
running
this.
1650s anyway, aren't you?
Is that what you are on?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing.
So it should be a pretty good comparison.
Okay. Yeah, I think it'd be a good way to like, let's do a run. Max yours out.
Okay.
Give me everything you got.
Slow down.
Yeah, put it in gear.
Take a breath. Who's that, Ninja Man?
Is there no one else?
What the heck? I'm not gonna give these back. I'm just leaving you with
Oh, that's what we're gonna do, huh?
You know, no one else gets to have them. They're mine.
All right.
I want them.
How do they? Like I saw you kind of turning, and I mean, are they playful?
They're very. I was surprised how playful.
Predictable playful, or surprise you playful?
Well, I wasn't expecting.
Yeah, you never.
Initially, I was surprised because I wasn't expecting it to just be able to slide.
Yeah.
And then it slid. I was like, oh wow. I mean, just we all know if you go from like a 32 or a 33 to a 35, it's gonna handle the chop better.
Yeah.
So I purposely went against the grain.
Yeah.
Because I've done that a few times here and there.
I didn't even
and
check
it's
tire
rough.
pressure before you took off.
I felt like it got rid of a little bit of that chop.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
And then, I mean, like I was talking with Ren about it, and Justin over here, and we're thinking, like, dude, if you buy these 35s, not even comp cut, because it's a really aggressive paddle. But then that way you don't losing air in the night.
Sure.
Overnight.
Yeah. No, and like I say, these cars build torque.
Yeah.
The other stuff didn't. Those 4 cylinders make it torquey, so it's easier to get them spinning.
I was honestly a little bit worried. I was racing that Ibex car. I was worried I might lose because we're on such a bigger tire now. But
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to kill all my power. But I feel like I got more on the big end.
For sure, you did.
And it felt great out of the hole too.
You looked like you were pulling him on the big end easily.
And I think I pulled him out of the brake.
I didn't see out of the gate. I just saw you guys come across right here. I looked up.
Okay, Ibex car, Pro EFI car, race 2.
An awesome test. I love those 35s, so I can't wait till they're actually out and available to buy. Thanks Cody for letting us try them out, but these will be what I'm putting on my car once these are available on the market. Thank you again, and thanks for watching, everybody.